In 2025, starting an Amazon business looks easier than ever. But here's the truth: over 90% of sellers fail within their first year. And it's not because of competition, it's because of how they start. The first reason: no strategy, only hype. Most new sellers jump in after watching one viral success story. They chase trends, copy others, and never study demand, data, or margins. But Amazon doesn't reward hype, it rewards consistency and systems. The second reason: copy paste mentality. Everyone's selling the same product with the same photos and same descriptions. But Amazon's 2025 algorithm rewards originality, engagement, and customer trust. If you look like everyone else, you disappear. The third reason: no use of tools. Successful sellers don't guess, they analyze. Tools like Keepa, SellerAmp, and Helium10 show real data, competition, trends, and profit margins. Yet most beginners ignore them and rely on luck. Fourth, no brand identity. Amazon has shifted from who sells more to who builds a brand. In 2025, buyers trust brands, not listings. Your logo, packaging, visuals, and tone all shape the algorithm and customers you see. And lastly, lack of patience. Most people quit before they even understand the game. Amazon rewards those who test, learn, and optimize, not those who expect overnight success. So here's the truth: winning on Amazon in 2025 isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. Better research, better branding, and better execution. Because in this new era of e commerce, the sellers who win aren't the fastest, they are the most focused. If this gave you clarity, drop a like, subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon, and let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you are facing as an Amazon seller right now.